Are you struggling to get going in affiliate marketing? Or you've already started, but you're struggling to get the results that you're actually looking for, and the campaigns aren't quite going the way that you wanted them to? Well, we've got a selection of top tips from the leading experts within the world of affiliate marketing, and here we are to share them with you.
Hi guys, Anka Gupta here, owner of Maxb. I am here to tell you the top 3 tips that you need to know in order to be successful as an affiliate. The number 1 tip, and if you've heard my speeches before, I always say this, number 1 tip, be kind. Number 2, ask lots of questions, especially when you're getting started. And number 3, choose partners that align with your core values.
Hi, I'm Justin Clark, an account manager with Clickbank here at Affiliate World Dubai. And my top tip for beginning people looking to get into affiliate marketing is going to be take risks. Success demands risks. We're all new and we all start somewhere. And also test everything. Every vertical, every offer you can. Look for the niche that fits you best and don't be afraid to branch out.
Hi, I am Andra from Maxb. We are an affiliate network. We are specialized in DSL offers, mostly health and nutra, and we have so many affiliates, and our top tip for them, for you, is to be the best friend with your account manager, with your affiliate manager, because they know everything that's happening inside the network, which offers convert well, which don't, which are a good fit for your traffic source.
My top tip for you as an affiliate marketer is build relationships. Choose a niche, build relationships in there. It doesn't matter if they're a competitor or a supplier or an agency, but when you build these relationships and you push that out there on Facebook, on YouTube, on your blog, then people start to know who you are and things start coming to you. Opportunities start coming to you. When you're stuck on how to optimize your Facebook ads campaign, someone will be able to come to you. But it only starts when you build relationships. So that means you have to overcome that kind of introvert fear. Even like me, I'm an introvert, but I know to grow my business, I've got to be able to build relationships. I got to provide value. I have to be able to ask for help. So there you go. And places like Affiliate World is how you build relationships.
We go? Okay. Hello, I'm Simon. I'm a sales director from Outbrain. We're a traffic source. And the one tip I would give for performance marketers is test, test, test. I feel like probably everyone said that. Like if you're not first, you're last. Don't follow everyone, make your own path, because that's where the money is. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Karthik from Collection Digital Media. We are an ad network. So my top tip for all the beginners and starters who have just started their career in affiliate marketing would be just don't go for each and every vertical. Stay consistent, pick one vertical and keep going. That would really work out for you.
Hey, it's Bishan from Maxb, and my top tip for new affiliates is that don't be afraid to lose some money. You're always going to be collecting data, and that's going to be useful for you in the long run.
So there you have it, some fantastic tips which I hope are going to really help you to take those necessary steps to really get your campaigns going in the world of affiliate marketing. If you've got any questions yourself, please put them in the comments below and we'd love to help you out and answer them for you.